Hey everyone, my name is Ben, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up the queueOS integration Canvas sync, where it automatically syncs all of your Canvas information such as assignments, grades, and any other information linked to your profile into queueOS. Now the main thing you want to do is make sure you already have a workspace set up with at least one queue, and I highly recommend you set up the categories feature as well, because it allows you to organize each of the assignments into separate sections, so you have like a to-do category, an in-progress assignments category, and a completed category. It just makes the whole organization aspect a lot better. But once you're logged in, you're going to want to go to your dashboard. From the home screen, I'm going to press go to dashboard, and then at the top you're going to see my test workspace right here, so I'm going to select the test workspace. And you'll see I have those categories set up with to-do assignments, in-progress assignments, and completed assignments. And then from here, I'm going to select Workspace Apps at the top, and you're going to select Canvas Sync right on the right. Now you're going to need to get two things. One is your Canvas URL, and one is a personal access token. Canvas URL is really easy. You're just going to head to your dashboard, and it's quite literally going to be the URL right here. So you're going to copy that, and make sure you include the https://. That is very important, or else it will not load, and you will get an error. So you put that in there, and then you're going to want to generate a personal access token. From there, you're going to head back to your dashboard, and you're going to select account at the top, hit settings, and then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to select new access token right here. Purpose, I'm just going to put queueOS, and then it does have a expiration date of about 120 days, so I recommend setting it to the farthest you can, so I'm going to select the 11th right here. Expiration time you can just leave as default, and you're going to hit generate token. Now you're going to see your token show up right here. You're just going to go ahead and copy it. Don't share it with anyone, because this allows people to view your Canvas assignment. So just leave it. Don't write it down, just copy it. And you're going to want to head back to queueOS, and you're going to put in your personal access token right here. As soon as you do that, just close the page. Do not hit regenerate token. Just click the X. And that's it for setting it up. So you're just going to hit connect to Canvas, and it's going to automatically start connecting your courses and everything like that, and it's going to start syncing it over. So you see, mine was really quick. I only have one course, so all I can do is just turn on this one course right here, and you'll see I can select the targeted queue, which is going to be this English one I set up before. And like I said before, if you set up categories, you're going to have the ability to choose where the assignments go into once you sync. So we're going to go to-do assignments right here. And then depending on if you have more courses, more assignments, it will take a lot longer to sync. So I recommend, give it a couple minutes. It should still be working. If you have any issues, it will give you an error. So don't worry about it if it just takes a while to load. And you're just going to hit the sync now button once you map everything out. And you'll see mine was really quick. And you'll see it says successfully synced 2 assignments at the bottom left, because it was only one course, only 2 assignments. It wasn't that big of a deal. You're going to head back to queues at the top. And you're going to notice now we actually have both of these 2 assignments inside the to-do assignment section. So right here we have this roll call attendance one, and we have this test quiz. If I click it, you see I have the title right here, and I also have the point value of the assignment. And I can also view the assignment description, which I don't have any set right now, but if your professor sets one, it will automatically be shown here. And I can view the assignment directly in Canvas, so it'll take me directly to the place where it needs to be, just like that. And then for this test quiz, if I click this one, you'll see this one has a point value of 3 and my grade of 8 out of 3. This one also has no assignment description, so it's not going to say anything. But if I hit view assignment in Canvas, queueOS is not broken. For whatever reason, if your professor gives you extra credit, it's just going to show up 8 out of 3. So that's how it looks like right there. And then you have the ability to, at any point, remove all your Canvas assignments from queueOS. We aren't trying to keep them in here. So let's say once you're done with all your schoolwork, you're like, don't leave this stuff in my queues. You can go back to Workspace Apps, go to Canvas Sync, and you have the ability to unlink Canvas assignment right here, and you can just unlink it and keep the assignments, or also delete all the Canvas assignments by checking this and unlinking. So do that if you want to, but we recommend leaving it in during the entire school year. It would just keep everything integrated. You don't have to worry about anything like that. And then if you ever need to manually sync the Canvas system, all you have to do is press this little Canvas icon. You'll see that was added into your workspace right here. And you can either go, again, view Canvas settings, or you can press sync assignments. And if you have multiple queues set up with multiple categories, you can either sync just the queue you have selected, or all of the queues that have the Canvas sync feature enabled. And you can also automatically mark graded tasks as completed. So I'm going to select this. You'll see automatically mark graded tasks as completed. And I'm just going to sync the English one only. So it's going to check my graded assignments. And you're going to see that one that was graded, it automatically moved to the completed section right here. Oh, sorry, right here. So you'll see any Canvas assignments are going to have this little Canvas icon. You could also press it right here and it will take you directly to the assignment. You don't even have to go into it, but you'll see all the information like that. And if you have any other questions or you need any help with setting up Canvas Sync, you can reach the support team at support@queueOS.com, or you can press the little intercom messenger in the bottom right and press ask a question to reach our AI chatbot or a staff member.